So in opening the camp kitchen, I managed to bump the water off the back, and now it's leaking. So that's not good. It looks like it's right around the nozzle. Dang it. Problem. I forgot the egg. Packed an egg. Egg did not make it into the fridge. I have nothing that would be an adequate substitute. This is probably not gonna work. Am I gonna do it anyway? You know it. Gonna have to use milk to make up for the difference. The egg, hopefully. I'm not sure what we're gonna end up with. It's gonna keep on adding. Japanese grandma out there getting very disappointed. I guess that's good. Normally this would be candied red beans, but I'm doing dried cranberries. Oh, we're steaming. Should be about 10 minutes, 10 to 15. Ooh, it's puffing up. Ooh, I may have overfilled it. Coming up on 10 minutes. Let's see how we're doing. Oh my goodness. I think I need to poke it. I don't think we're quite there yet. A little longer. Kind of blown out on one side. Still not sure it's done in the bottom. Kind of lopsided, but looks cakey. Hey, but not bad for a steamed cake, am I right? Oh, oh, oh. What? Haha. Ow. Pretty good, a little delicate. Yeah. Let's see, it's maybe a little underdone right there. Right in that area. Overall, looks pretty delicious. All right, let's check her out. Mmm. That's good. It's moist and fluffy and not too sweet. I put a lot of matcha in it because I really love that flavor. So it's really strong green tea flavor. I like it. It's not too sweet. Next time I put a few cranberries in the batter. But for a Grinchy looking cake, this is really tasty. Mushi-pan. Learn something new. Also, since I skipped the egg and I used soy milk. This is a vegan recipe, so if you're looking for an easy vegan cake recipe that doesn't require a fire, now you have one.